welcome back to the 7-Day Prayer Challenge. Today we're on day 4, and today's prompt is to pray for your country. Now, I know there's a lot going on with the world right now, and it seems like the whole world could use a little bit of Jesus. I know personally, I live in the United States, and it's a hard time right now. I honestly don't know how to put it into words. I know it's difficult right now, and whatever political way that you lean or think or believe in, I really think that it's worth sitting down and praying for your country. Whether you live in the United States or you live in Canada or you live outside of North America, or your country's really struggling right now with many, many other different things, war, famine, poverty. There's a lot. This world is broken and it needs a little bit of Jesus. And sometimes you feel like, what can I actually do? What you can do is you can pray. You can pray for specific leaders. You can pray for changes in your country, in your community. You can pray that God reveals himself and what you need to pray for your country. There's going to be something tugging on your heart to pray for your country, and I really encourage you to go with that. But pray for your country today. So I hope you're enjoying this challenge. Be sure to let me know if you have questions or concerns or you just need a little bit of encouragement. I cannot wait to hear from you.